Galeton, gateway to Cherry Springs' dark skies, an international destination point for thousands upon thousands of visitors. Galeton is a quaint community. It was known as the Chicago of the East, and our main industry was lumbering. We also had a huge tannery that employed hundreds and hundreds of people. We enjoy hunters and fishermen. We enjoy people who come to do the marathon. And the 4th of July celebration is packed with 10,000 to 20,000 people who line the mountains to watch the fireworks. On your way to Cherry Springs, be sure to pack your cars full of all the snacks you need, the warm blankets, and get your car filled up with gas. We're here ready to serve you. Now that you have everything you need, Tim Morey is going to guide you on your way to Cherry Springs.
Follow me to Cherry Springs State Park. Along Route 6 in Galeton, you'll make a left on West Street, which quickly becomes the West Branch Road at the ambulance building. As you continue on the 12-mile or about 20-minute drive to the top of the hill, you'll see fewer and fewer homes and cabins and more woods and wildlife. One landmark you'll note, about 5.5 miles from town, it'll take you about 10 minutes to get there, is the Susquehannock Camp. It's also near the entrance to Lyman Run State Park, also on the right. A short distance further, you'll notice on the left this interesting old bus in the camp's front lawn. Continue up the hill, you're almost there. As the route steepens, you'll know you're getting close to the park. Upon entering the park, you'll bear to the right, coming to your first stop sign. That's Route 44. Make a right, and at the crest of the hill, another right into our visitor parking lot. Now that you're at the visitor parking area, continue straight ahead, and congratulations, you've made it! The program area and short-term observation area are off to the right-hand side. If you'll swing into a parking spot, though, facing left, your headlights will stay away from the observation area, keeping it as dark as possible. If arriving after dark, or when you leave, please use your lights for safety's sake at all times when moving through the parking lot. Once parked, next to the information kiosks, you'll find a walkway that leads you onto the observation field. The night sky observation area is behind the earthen mound next to the parking lot. Bench seating is provided, so if you're coming to the public programs, you can use that seating or bring your own camp chair or blanket, as many prefer to do. You can stay for several hours and enjoy the night sky on your own, or bring your own telescope. You can set it up and try it out underneath the dark night skies of Cherry Springs. When planning your visit to Cherry Springs, please keep in mind as far as arrival time that while this is what it looks like during the day, this is what it looks like at night. So now that you know how to find your way to the park and what to expect once you arrive, to make the most out of your night sky visit, please keep the following in mind. First of all, dress warmly. We are on top of the hill, so it gets quite a bit cooler here. Remember, you're visiting a night sky park. While light is a wonderful thing and we need it, leave the flashlights in the car and bring only a dim red light out with you. If you don't have a red flashlight, you can borrow some red cellophane and rubber bands at our welcome kiosk. You can also use the lock screen on many smartphones with the red cellophane as a night light. Keeping these things in mind, you're ready for an excellent night of stargazing. And now we welcome you to experience the same underneath the dark skies of Cherry Springs State Park.